Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube. There was a problem with the server, so let's begin. So here we are in our phone, and from here what we're gonna do first is that we're going into our settings right here, and we want to go into our apps. Alright, here we have the apps right here. You want to go here and you want to tap manage apps, and from here you want to search for Google Play services. So for AR, you want to go here and you want to tap this one, and you want to clear all data. And as you can see, I have cleared all data for this one right here. And now if you have the Google Play services without for AR right here, you also want to clear that data for that. And now the next thing is we're gonna type YouTube, and we're also gonna clear data right here. You want to clear all data right here, and you want to tap on OK. But in my case, I will be doing it because mine is working fine. But this is how you fix your problem. So the next thing is, after we have done this, is we're going into our Play Store, and from here you want to go back and you want to type in YouTube. You want to search for YouTube, and you can see the YouTube app right here, and you want to tap on the YouTube app. And from here you want to make sure that you don't have the update button right here, but as you can see, I have the open button right here, right? So that means I'm okay. But if you have the update button, then you want to update the YouTube first, and after that you can restart your device by going here. You want to restart or reboot your device right here, and after that then you can test out if the problem has been solved, because with that the problem should be solved. That's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.